Welcome everyone. So today we are going to understand how to solve this kind of a very nice math percentage word problem. The question is, what percent of 50 paise is rupees 5? Now first very important thing is that, see, we have one denomination which is 50 paise. Now here we have something called as 5 rupees. So please remember, 1 rupee is basically 100 paise. Okay, so basically 5 rupees will be what? 500 paise. This is very important. When you have two different denominations, you need to convert both of them in equal denomination to get your entire answer correctly. Okay, now next, let's try to write this question in terms of its mathematical representation. So let the percent be what? A percent. So a percent of instead of let's write multiplication. 50 is means equal to 500. Instead of 5 rupees, we'll write it as 500 paise. Now see, whenever you have a percent sign ahead of a number, you can convert it into a fraction by dividing that number by 100. So here we have a upon 100 into 50 is equal to 500. Okay, so now what happens over here is, see, things are cancelling. This is 1s and 2s. And in order to find the value of a, you need to multiply both sides by 2, right? So this 2 and this 2 also gets cancelled. So I can say a is nothing but what? 500 into 2, which is 1000%. Okay, so I hope this is very clear to everyone. Now let's try and see whether we are getting this. Put this value of a over here, that is 1000%. So 1000 upon 100 into 50, whether we get the value as 500 or not. And if you see, the zeros are cancelling, so 10 into 50 is 500 paise, which is nothing but what? 5 rupees. And that is what your question was talking about. So here we can say that the value of this percentage is nothing but what? 1000. I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.